Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Money Matters Master. Today, we have an essential topic to discuss: personal finance tips for beginners. Managing your money effectively is crucial for financial stability and achieving your goals. In this video, we'll provide you with some practical advice to get you started on your journey to financial success. Let's dive right in. Set clear financial goals. The first step in managing your personal finances is setting clear financial goals. Ask yourself what you want to achieve financially, whether it's buying a home, paying off debt, or saving for retirement. Setting specific, measurable, and achievable goals will give you a roadmap to follow. Create a budget. A budget helps you track your income and expenses. Start by listing all sources of income and then categorize your expenses. Make sure your expenses are less than your income to have room for saving and investing. Pay off high-interest debt. If you have high-interest debt, like credit card debt, it's essential to prioritize paying it off as quickly as possible. The interest on these debts can be a significant financial burden. Consider strategies like the snowball or avalanche method to pay down your debts effectively. Start saving and investing. Saving money is great, but investing can help your money grow. Consider opening a retirement account, like a 401k or IRA, and invest in low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, to build wealth over time. Live below your means. It's easy to fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation, where your spending increases with your income. Try to live below your means, save and invest the difference. It's a powerful way to increase your wealth over time. Avoid impulse purchases. Impulse purchases can wreak havoc on your budget. Always ask yourself if you really need the item or if it's just a want. Delaying gratification and making thoughtful purchases can save you a lot of money. Diversify your income sources. In addition to your regular job, consider diversifying your income sources. You can start a side hustle, freelance, or invest in passive income streams like dividend stocks or real estate. Educate yourself. Knowledge is your most valuable asset. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance. Read books, follow finance blogs, and consider taking courses on topics like investing, budgeting, and retirement planning. Review and adjust your finances regularly. Finally, make sure to regularly review and adjust your financial plan. Life circumstances change, so your financial plan should adapt accordingly. Set aside time to evaluate your progress and make any necessary changes. Wrap up. That's a wrap on our personal finance tips for beginners. Remember, managing your money is a journey, not a destination. By following these tips and staying committed, you can achieve financial security and work towards your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.